K9 Thunder. Group, self-propelled howitzers. Status, active. Also known as AS9 Huntsman, K9A1, K9PL, KH179, Indonesia, T155 Fırtına, Turkish designation, T155 KM Obus, Turkish designation, Vajrati, XK9, development designation. Origin, South Korea. Contractors, Hanwha Techwin *, Larsen & Toubro Limited, World Industries ACE, WIA. Initial operational capability, IOC, 1999. Total production, 1,462. Unitary cost, $150 million. The K9 Thunder is a NATO-compliant 155mm self-propelled howitzer designed to provide high rates of fire, high mobility and survivability, and rapid shoot-and-scoot tactics. Its primary armament is a 155mm 52 caliber gun capable of firing conventional, rocket-assisted, RAP, and basebleed (BB) shells with 48 projectiles on board. Firing M107 high explosive (HE) projectile, the K9 has a range of 18 km, 30 km using 5-zone RAP or 40 km using 6-zone K307 projectile with a chamber pressure of 52,000 psi and a muzzle velocity of 928 mph. The K9 Thunder is able to fire on targets at 40 km employing up to 3 K307 projectiles within 15 seconds and delivering sustained rates of fire of 2-3 rounds per minute. Besides, the weapon system is capable of multiple round simultaneous impact, MRSI. Its steel armor plates provide protection against landmines, up to 14.5mm machine gun fire and artillery shells. The air purification system provides protection against NBC, nuclear, bacteriological, and chemical agents. The Republic of Korea Army (ROKA) is the main operator of this weapon system, which was procured as the replacement for the outdated United Defense M109A 239 caliber self-propelled howitzer. Its development started in 1989, the first prototypes were delivered in 1994 and the first K9 was inducted into service in 1999. The ROKA procured 1,040 M109A2 howitzers being produced domestically by Samsung Techwin. Over 250 K9 Thunder howitzers were fielded with the ROKA by the end of 2005. Turkey ordered the K9 Thunder under the Fırtına or T155 KM Obus designation in 2001. 8 units were delivered in 2004, while the Turkish Army plans call for the procurement of up to 300 systems produced locally in Turkey. The Fırtına variant features a MTU 881 series diesel engine developing 1,000 horsepower coupled to an Allison X1100-5A3 fully automatic transmission. The K9 Vajrati is a variant designed for the Indian Army featuring improvements for desert operations. Up to 300 Vajrati howitzers will be built in India by Larsen & Toubro Ltd. A single ROKA artillery battalion consists of 18 K9 Thunder weapon systems plus 18 K10 ARV resupply vehicles. The K9 Thunder features an automatic loading system which reduces the crew to 4-man, gunner, gunner assistant, driver and commander. Specifications: ammunition load 48. Caliber multiple 52. Crew 4. Dimensions: ground clearance 0.41 meter. Height 3.5 meter. Length 12 meter. Main gun caliber 155 mm. Width 3.4 meter. Mass: combat weight 46.3 ton. Percentage: gradients 60%. Side slope 30%. Performance: ditch crossing ability 2.8 meter. Fording depth 1.5 meter. Main gun max range 18 km firing M107 round. Max range 360 km. Max range firing RAP 40 km. Step climbing ability 0.75 meter. Power 1000 shop. Pressure: gun chamber pressure 52,000 psi. Rate: max rate of fire 8 round per minute. Sustained rate of fire 3 round per minute. Speed: muzzle velocity 928 mph. Top speed 67 km per hour. Time: setup time 30 second. K10 ARV. Group: tracked armored vehicles. Status, active. Also known as S10, XK10, project name. Origin, South Korea. Contractor, Hanwha Techwin. Initial operational capability, IOC, 2002. Total production, 1,269. The Samsung Techwin K10 ARV is a fully automated armored ammunition resupply vehicle designed to complement the Republic of Korea Army, ROKA, K9 Thunder self-propelled howitzer. Its development was compelled by the lack of such vehicle for the K9 artillery system and started in 2001 and completed 1 year later. The K10 ARV allows the K9 to meet its tactical requirements of higher firing rate, shoot and scoot. A single vehicle carries 104 projectiles and 54 propellant charges, while its electrically driven fully automated resupplying capability maximizes the efficiency of artillery forces, delivering a maximum transfer rate of 12 rounds per minute. The K10 ARV shares the same chassis, power pack and suspension with the K9 Thunder for efficiency in logistic supports and tactical movements. Besides, the armor protection level, off-road mobility and survivability are equivalent as well. Specifications: ammunition load 104. Crew 3. Dimensions: ground clearance 0.41 meter. Height 3.7 meter. Length 8.5 meter. Width 3.4 meter. Mass: max weight 47 ton. Percentage: gradients 60%. Side slope 30%. Performance: ditch crossing ability 2.8 meter. Fording depth 1.5 meter. Max range 360 km. Step climbing ability 0.75 meter. Power: 1000 horsepower. Rate: transfer rate 12 round per minute. Speed: top speed 62 km per hour. Time: reloading time 40 minute.